What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna be unboxing the Mizuno Wave Creation 21. This is the latest version and new generation of some amazing running shoes. This video has been recorded 4 months ago and I has been using this shoe for my daily workouts and my daily exercises like runnings and walking to the street, and this is a very durable shoe. So you can have an idea, I was using before this purchase and another Wave Creation, but the version 15, and I got these shoes using every single day for almost 5 years without a single problem. Now talking to this new 21 version. I got this little orange and dark colors. It's a really nice feel and look great. It really fits in your feet, and it's very durable. Has been quality materials, it seems to be very durable, it's really comfortable with a nice way to put in and put out. Now have a look at how it looks into the feet. It's not heavy at all. It's perfect for some runnings, and it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I see you later. All the best!